guys, I hope you are having a great day. Guys, this is it. This is the end of the school year. Can you believe that? I am having a really hard time believing that. Like, obviously, school has been much different since spring break. Who knew that was going to happen? But regardless, this year just flew by. I cannot believe that another school year is over and that your 6th grade year is over. That's just crazy to me. So I want to take a moment to congratulate you guys and thank you for the hard work you've done. I am just so impressed with this group, guys. You have really done an amazing job. So many obstacles were thrown our way this second semester, and you guys rose to the occasion, no problem, got your work done, continue to find joy in your learning, continue to push forward. I'm amazed, guys. You did a wonderful job. And I want to thank you for what you brought to our class. I thought it was just such a great way to end our day together, having class together. I just loved when we could come together, we could share some laughs, have some good times, get into the literature we were reading. I can't thank you guys enough for what you brought to our classroom. It was just a great time and just a wonderful way to end our days together. So to celebrate the end of the year, I have written you guys something. Now, usually I like to do this in class, and it's like kind of awkward that I'm just like sitting in my living room, right? I'd much rather be together, and it's sad to me to think that we won't be together again. But at the same time, I am excited for you guys. I'm excited for 7th grade. You guys have worked so hard, and I know you'll accomplish so much in 7th grade. So I just have a little something I wrote for you guys to remember 6th grade English together. I like to give you a paper copy too, but obviously can't do that. So check Google Classroom. There'll be a copy of that there for you. And I hope you guys can enjoy this thing that I've written for you guys. All right. So here's what I wrote. My dear 6th graders, what a year it has been. From August to May, it has been a whirlwind. As I look back and reflect, I'm not sure where to begin. Let's start with Ava, Reagan, and Talia, whose creativity could go on for miles and miles. Andy, Tanea, and Tiana greeted us each day with their radiant smiles. Lily Kay gave a performance of the Cyclops that was both entertaining and impacting, and every so often Nick awed us with his passion for acting. Max and Jonathan never failed to do the right things and lead by example, while Marin, Kylie, and Bella offered friendship that was ample. Liam's attention to detail and kindness never failed to brighten our day. Marley and Julia were always willing to send good vibes your way. Tyler, Joseph, and Brody kept us entertained with their quick wit. We had Jack G and the other Jack. Or was his name Garrett? Need a book recommendation? Ask our avid readers, Eleanor, Vivian, or Tim. If you wanted to know anything about bikes, Connor would surely fill you in. Lily C. portrayed a powerful life and death of Caesar. It was quite the sight to see. And then Luke so masterfully played the role of Caesar's dead body. Reese, Lydia, and Sarah made gains in their writing that left us all impressed. And Alice was always there to encourage you if you felt overwhelmed or stressed. When New Year's did come, we wondered, what would 2020 hold? Who knew? I never expected to go several months, still teaching, but not seeing you. During this time, many emotions were felt. Sadness, anger, confusion, and fear. Yet, we dug deep, cared for each other, and we all persevered. I will miss you 6th graders as you go away to things bigger and better, but I wish you would stay. Have fun next year and remember what you have learned. Stay true to yourself and you won't get burned. You made me so proud. Teaching you has been a privilege and an honor. Thank you for all you have taught me, and make good choices this summer. Come back and visit, and do stay in touch. I will always be here for you. #miss you so much. Guys, I just want to thank you again. It's been such a pleasure teaching you this year, and I can't wait for what your future holds. I love each and every one of you, and I hope you have a phenomenal summer, and I cannot wait to see you guys again in August. Thank you.